teach you the easiest beginner's way on how to make your own soap using melt and pour soap bases. All you need are all the ingredients right here in front of me. You need a good soap base, and we're using Stephenson melt and pour soap base from the United Kingdom. You also need a stove, a cup or a bowl or a beaker. You need a stirrer, a cutter or a knife. You will need molds, so it's totally up to you to choose whatever mold that you want, in what shape and size that you want. You need good quality, skin-safe fragrance oil, or if you choose, you can use essential oil, which is a natural form of fragrance oil made from plants and fruits. And of course, you need a very stable, quality, skincare safe soap pigment that helps to color your soap and give beautiful designs from your soap base. I'm going to teach you how to make soap right now, and it's super easy. All you need to do is take the soap base out from the box. I have one block here that I've taken out, and I'm going to use my soap cutter to cut it up. You can use a knife as well, but a knife can be quite sharp, so if you're playing with it with kids, you may not want to use a very sharp knife. So a soap cutter knife like this is blunt and you won't hurt yourself. You need a good soap base when you're making soap, because a good soap base will not only last longer, it will also be a lot easier to work with, and it's really good for your skin because it's softer for your skin. It's also very moisturizing, it's safer. And so choose a good soap base that suits you. There are many soap bases that we have. We have soap bases that have aloe vera in it. We have soap bases with donkey's milk, oat's meal. We have soap bases that infused with honey. All kinds of soap bases. You can check them out on our website. After you've cut up into little chunks, place it into a cup. And this is where you can start melting down the soap. And this is why it's called a melt and pour soap. So there are two ways of melting soap. You can keep it in a pot of hot water, or you can put it direct on the stove, but you have to always watch it. If not, soap can burn on the stove. Or, once you're used to it, you can even pop it into the microwave, and it's super easy to melt it down, and just wait for it to happen. So gently give it a stir as the melt and pour soap base melts. So after the soap base has melted down completely, has turned into a thick liquid, add in your coloring. Doesn't matter what color you like, it depends on the theme you want to create, or it depends on the color of your toilet or the color of your bathroom tiles. Just add in a few drops of skin-safe coloring. Our colorings come from the USA, they're imported specially. They've done all the lab tests to make sure that the colorings are safe and stable for soap making. These colorings can also be used to make your own bath bombs, and it's a beautiful color that is very stable, non-bleeding, and safe for skin. So then, after you put in your coloring, pick your fragrance oil and add in a few drops of your fragrance oil into the melted liquid soap base. Just a few drops will do, depending on how much you want. The usual ratio is 1%, or you can just add a few drops, depending on what you like. Give it a stir. We have hundreds of fragrance oils to choose from. The popular ones are yuzu, shitakura, jasmine rice, lavender, sweet orange, so many to choose from. Or you can use natural essential oils. And right after that, what you do is you need your isopropyl alcohol to clean your mold and to reduce bubbles. Just spray on a layer of isopropyl alcohol and pour your soap base with beautiful fragrance oil and coloring into the mold. And after you're done, to get rid of the bubbles again, just spray another layer of isopropyl alcohol. The isopropyl alcohol is 99.8% alcohol, and that's a good one to use for soap making. And just let it sit. We will demold in a bit. This may take 20 minutes to 30 minutes to demold, depending on the environment, depending on whether it's cool weather demold in a bit. We are back 30 minutes later with our hardened new soap bar here. And let's demold, which is the fun part. Pop it out from the mold. And you have your own handmade, hand-poured soap. Soap making is not complicated. We're here to tell you that it's super easy. All you need is a good batch of soap base, fragrance oils or essential oils, good coloring, and some basic tools, isopropyl alcohol, and you're good to go. And if you don't want to think about it too much, you can also get our mini crafty kit where you get to make some soaps. In this mini crafty kit, you get to make 1 bar of soap in here and learn all the basics of soap making in the easiest way possible with a video to guide you. Thank you so much for watching, and for other beginner videos, please go and check out the other pages on this website, or if you have something that you want to find out, please email us at inquiry